then we are going to apply and tie the nails, because I'm going to transfer it, the beautiful cupcakes and flowers, to these nails. All right, you're right, silver will look good with this one too. All right, so here I'm not sure that I don't miss. Sometimes I miss how and tie the edges right here, you know. Then it's clear, so then sometimes it's hard to see and it's not going to transfer at all. And ensure your LED lights is working properly. Here for 30 seconds. I'm sorry, the premium I hold transfer foil is 30 seconds. Mika apply the transfer foil too.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I'm gonna do this cupcake. You can do it straight like that, you can do tilt angle like that, however you would like. Is your own portrait. You can create however you want. Oh, I didn't realize that this one lie up together, so you can go that way as well, however you would like. All right, let's go into that beautiful cupcake right here. Let me lay it down because I'm gonna lay it first here so I won't miss it. I want the cupcake. There you go. Ta-da! Press it down. And then we are going to press using the dual end tweezer. I'm loving this. This can really is precise and pick all of your stickers, and as well as working with and rubbing all the stickers on, and also transfer foil. Make sure when you get this, really be careful. Super sharp. It poked me quite a few times.
Yes, they are very sharp.
So just a heads up. Give a good press. And on this side. Ready? Slow motion. It transfers everything. The whole piece is right here. Everything. Let me see. If you feel you're missing anything, put it back up. And give it a little good press on. Rub. Nice. She's like a transfer foil queen. I love it.
Yes, I am.
Hey, that's awesome. Oh, you know what? Because I have a beanie, so give a good press on it. Ta-da! My cupcake is right there with a little heart. Super cute. Okay, so now we are going to add some super cute crystal. Here I have adorable is transcended heart. I got it from my crystal kits #1. It's transcended kits, and all the kits is on sale right now. The special on the kids sections, that is specials, really good on sale. Check them out. Except the glow in the dark, I think I'm not sure we sold out or we still have one kit or two kits. But all of the kits crystal is massive. The crystal with so many crystal centerpiece there is on sale right now, so check them out. I'm gonna using this is a gorgeous heart right there. And then you can also use this heart too. I like this heart right here, the golden one, and it looks transparent. You put it in here.
It's gonna be so pretty.
Or this one here. Which one should I do? I know this one looks cute. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and then look at the sprinkle. I'm gonna use some of my glow in the dark sprinkles, make it like a sprinkle on the cupcake. So then when
pretty.
I make it looks like really cool. All right, so as Bestie condensed glue gels again, if yours is crystal placement, it keep like coming off faster and your clients or you get frustrated, you do need this bestie. And actually it's my bestie is almost gone. We need to get a new one, but it's still gonna be good for another few nails. I'm using to the last drop of condensed blue gel. It feels like I'm wiping a butters, like from a butters like jar. Like, so okay, you're gonna wipe into a last drop. And then don't forget the no wipe top coat. And then we're going to float it on. I say floated it on, it means that you are going to do it's really gentle touch. So you don't want to pull all of your condensed blue gels away. You are going to just floating on the top of the condensed blue gels. All right. And debating between these two, this crystal was really nice because you can see through it. And then this one is like make it solid matching. I'll use this one. Or maybe I should using the yellow one from the glow in the dark kits, you know.
That would be gorgeous.
So I'm gonna add some of this, the centers of the flowers. And then we can do some sprinkle. Look, I make my own sprinkle on the cupcake. Add some more. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. You might have question for me and Mika. Don't hesitate to let me know. Comments below. We are going to able to answer all the questions. Pink. Yeah, pink one. This one has a lot of sprinkles. I would eat sprinkle first. Great, I'm happy with this. We are going to cure this for a 60 seconds. I feel like I'm missing one sprinkle. Do one. This is cupcake is for displays only. It's not to eat. It's too beautiful.
Do not eat it.
Okay, so I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds.